If files on your iPhone aren't opening in the Files app, here are a few fixes that actually work, starting with the easiest one first. This is SolvePoint. Subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. If you've had the Files app running in the background, start simple. Swipe up from the bottom to open your app switcher. Then swipe the Files app away to fully close it. Once it's closed, reopen it and check if the issue is resolved. If not, move on to the next fix. Low storage is a common cause of this issue. Head into Settings, scroll down to General, then tap iPhone Storage. Make sure you've got at least 5 to 10 gigabytes free. While you're there, look for any apps you don't really need. Tap on one and select Delete App to remove it completely. For example, tap on an app like WPS Office. Hit Offload App, then confirm by tapping Offload App again. This clears the app's data and cache without fully removing it from your device. Once you've cleared enough space, find the Files app itself in your storage list and tap on it. Offload it the same way. Tap Offload App, then confirm. After that, reinstall the Files app from the same screen. Once it's back on your device, check if the issue is fixed. And that should solve the Files app not opening on your iPhone. If this helped, drop a comment and subscribe to SolvePoint for more quick tech fixes every week.